Toyota Sequoia misfire diagnosis. So it had misfires on almost all cylinders. Replaced the spark plugs. Now there's just a dead misfire on one cylinder, and it's really hard to start. I've got the compression tester plugged in. Minimum compression for the engine to run properly is about 100. Average pressure will be about 175 to 200. Well, 150 to 200 average. Now we're going to go crank it over right now and then take a look at the pressure. And we're getting just under 75, like 70, 72. So this thing has engine damage from being overheated. It'll need major repairs.